The whole nation just been getting snow back to back. 1 week, next weekend. So as the snow come down, the wind was just blowing snow everywhere. If you're out there, that wind hits your face like needles. The winds were gusting up to 17 miles an hour. Watch the door stuck. That push back the door right now. Watch out. Rose and skirt. Watch the song. This is the view outside the window. Oh, it's so cold. Look, say snow all the way. Window sill. Ice on the mesh. On the window sill. And this is the view from the window. Let me pull back some because the mesh coming into view. Already see there. It is so freaking cold. I'm glad I don't have a pet that I would have to go out and walk. Mm-mm. Mm. So cold out. 27 degrees. The wind died down, but it's still cold. Georgia. Yo. The sun is shining. There's plenty of light. It's my first time coming out since it snowed. Look at that. Hmm? Look at that. I wanted to come out and do a live, but there's no school, so I wasn't trying to come out, and then coming out, you gotta get fully dressed. I so was not in the mood. But today, I don't have a choice. School is back in session. The plow just came through. Not even a minute ago. You could still hear it down the hill, backing up and all that. Oh man, the temperature is nice though. Relatively warm, I should say. It's not in the negative degrees. So I give God thanks for that. But look at this. New York got the most. Man, look at all the icicle. Look, all those icicles up there. New York was like, man, like a disaster zone. But this is New England, people. Yeah, I seen that Boston got a whole lot too. Look at this. And it snowed this morning too. That's why the plow is about the place. The plow just leave. See there? Oh man. So school is out. Well, school is back in. The last video I posted, it was a school. I did the pick up from school. So I'm gonna run some errands now before me head down to the school. Same route me have to take. Unfortunately, and not everybody like for shovel clean up. You get fined if you not clean up your property. Me don't know it work over here, so, but the last time Starbucks did a good job, it was Dunkin' Donuts that was like crazy with it. But your people wanna know the hill for all those who watch and know my route. The hill of the hill. Heading downwards. See one plow back here, sir. And see him down there, so I see one, a little one here, so I clear the hill. So that goes to show how recently the snow just don't fall. Not too long ago, it might clean the pathway to go down that freaking hill. So I go take my time and head down the hill. And I know this hill. Look there. Yeah. I don't know the famous hill. I gotta take my time and head down. Maybe should I just walk on because I can't pass him. Or me I go pass him. Maybe should I just go the other way. I could go that way. Can I go your way? I'm not paying me the money. You know what? Papi, I could go that way? Me? Yeah. Yeah, so I'm good to go. Low. That's it. I'm gonna do them thing. See it there? I'm gonna do them thing. It might come back my way. So, when you just scatter down the hill here, make my airplane come out time with you. Good for water. Thank you. Jesus. I'm so afraid of down there because here's my shortcut and that back street always nice and clean. Down on the main road here, so forget it, yo. Forget about it. But I don't have a choice.